10 Amazon finds you must have. This tower fan is designed for whisper quiet cooling, featuring customizable speeds, a sleep mode, and a powerful airflow that reaches up to 29 feet. Strong enough to replace AC, this countertop is designed to sit perfectly on front-load machines, adding instant workspace and storage while preventing items from sliding off during spin cycles. This premium drying rack is designed for maximum durability and space efficiency in your laundry room. It features 5 heavy-duty aluminum rods that can hold up to 40 pounds. This mat is designed to absorb water 3 times faster than fabric, and it rolls up neatly to save space when not in use. These finds are designed to mimic real bougainvillea down to the petal texture, with weather-resistant materials that never fade or droop. This modular bamboo organizer is designed to maximize drawer space with its adjustable double-layer trays, including a removable utensil holder and knife block. This clever adapter is designed to solve battery emergencies, transforming AAA into AA size battery in seconds, compatible with any brand and small enough to stash anywhere. These adhesive organizers are designed to banish cabinet chaos, sticking securely to surfaces for instant pot or pan organization. This stackable bamboo storage box is designed for versatile kitchen organization, featuring dedicated compartments for potatoes and onions, with airflow vents to prevent spoilage. This is a space-saving C-shaped side table that tucks under furniture, providing extra surface space. It features 2 built-in charging outlets and a storage